So people use jump cuts because it helps their video flow better, it looks better, and it makes their video more efficient as far as time goes. Now, most people, when they use a jump cut, they are talking, and then when the parts where they mess up or there's a long pause, they'll just edit that part out. Me, I use jump cuts in a similar fashion, but for a different reason. Either way it goes, jump cuts are real easy to do in Filmora, and I'm about to show you how. So like I said before, when you're doing a jump cut, most people use it so that when they're recording something, they can just talk, and if they mess up, they'll just take that part out later on, and it just kind of flows better. I do it for a different reason. The reason why I use a jump cut is because I am a heavy mouth breather, especially when I'm reading, and I want to take out the breaths, the deep breaths that I take in between, reading sentences and stuff like that, because it's irritating. Let me just give you an example real quick. Let's see if I can do this. So I'm gonna bring it down, and I'm just gonna let it play and just listen. 7 years ago, right there, for one, I'm gonna take that out because it just starts off horribly. So let's try this again. 7 years ago, the Denver Nuggets used the 31st pick in the NBA draft on an unheralded center from Serbia. Right there. Did you hear that? For some reason, I take big breaths especially when I'm reading, and it makes the video, I'm pretty sure most people don't even notice it, but some people probably do, and it takes away from the video. So what I do, it's real easy. You have this tracker here, right? And you have your timeline. All you do is you take this right here, the bar, we'll just call it, and you have a pair of scissors here, and you have a pair of scissors there. You can use either or. Make sure you click on it, and then you cut it right there, and I'm gonna cut it right before I start speaking again, and I'm gonna boom, and then I click on the little piece that I just cut, and I hit the trash, and all moves in. So now I go from reading one part, making a heavy breath, to this. Serbia. On Tuesday, Nikola Jokic. See how this flowed easier now? Serbia. On Tuesday, see? It's real subtle, but it helps it flow better. And that's what you need to do. Flow with your video. I'll do it one more time, just to kind of show how easy it is. We'll go and we'll listen to one part, and then we'll listen to, actually, you know what? We'll just do it like this. We'll listen to this. 7 years ago, the Denver Nuggets used the 31st pick in the NBA draft on an unheralded center from Serbia. On Tuesday, right there was a jump cut. Now, that was that part. So right now we're just going to move this over. We're going to bring the same one down. Now, listen to the same thing again. 7 years ago, the Denver Nuggets used the 31st pick in the NBA draft on an unheralded center from Serbia. On Tuesday, see, there goes a breath. And we just edit that part out to where now, and we'll move this down here. And then you got this one. 7 years ago, the Denver Nuggets used the 31st pick in the NBA draft on an unheralded center from Serbia. On Tuesday, see, this flows better, flows easier. And like I said, it's real easy to edit it. Main thing, what you want to do is you want to expand this to that you can kind of get in there, so you can see the parts where you can do your jump cut, and you can get as detailed as possible. But that's pretty much a jump cut in a nutshell. You can just record yourself. If you mess up, you don't have to press stop. You could just keep going, and after you're all done with whatever point you were trying to make, you could just go in there, and then you can just edit the parts where you messed up at. Or if you're a heavy mouth breather like me, you can just edit out that part where you're breathing heavy, and your video will flow a lot better, and you're that much closer to becoming a better YouTuber. So that's a jump cut in a nutshell. Like I said, most people do it to where they can say what they gotta say, edit out whatever mistakes that they have. Me, I do it for the whole heavy breathing purposes. I don't know why I breathe heavy when I talk, but I do. I don't know, I guess I'm a caveman or something. And also, like I said, this is how we do it, or this is how you can do it in Filmora. If you use a different editor, I'm pretty sure it's very similar, so you can definitely try this technique if you use something else. And saying that, if you are new here to SEM, please hit the subscribe button, become part of this SEM Nation, which can part of this nation, that bell notification, you know when the video comes out. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. My name is Dorian. This is SEM. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Really appreciate it. And you guys have a good day.